Hello.
Hello.
And what's your name?
My name's Rosie.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Japanese street fashion called Lolita.
And is this so you do this for a performance generally, or this
I
is
wear
kind
it
of
every day.
just like as a general? I get up in the morning, put on my Lolita.
Put on my petticoats and lace, yeah.
Wow.
It feels like it's kind of part of me in a way that I've always been a little peculiar. I've always worn weird clothing, and when I just sort of segued into this kind of style, and it just feels normal to me. I've been singing since I could talk, really. I've just always had a passion for singing. I did my first musical theatre show when I was 8 years old. My family are also performers. That also helped with my passion for musical theatre. I would love to go to America and get on Broadway. That's a big dream. That's a big one because that's really hard. But I really want to do it, and I really want to get there.
So what are you going to do for us this evening?
I'm going to be singing a song called The Girl in 14G.
All right. Well, yeah, I'm intrigued. So I'm looking forward to it. You enjoy yourself, won't you?
I shall.
Brilliant. Good luck.
Just moved in to 14G, so cozy, calm and peaceful. A cozy nook to read a book. I'm lost in my Jane Austen when I hear say it isn't so. Not the flat below. From an opera wannabe in 13G, a matinee of some cantata, Wagner's Ring and Traviata.
What the hell?
You're in the wrong century, aren't you? Really, check it out.
Maybe we're all in the wrong century because that was awesome.
Yeah, maybe it's just you. No, I'm kidding.
Let's get to the business here and let's do some voting. Rachel?
I just think your voice is unbelievable. I have to say yes. Thank you. Just stunning.
You've got a fantastic voice, and that last note, that was quite brilliant, actually.
Yeah.
I guess I've got to say yes as well, you know. Yeah.
It's a yes from me. That's 3 yeses. That means you're through to the next round. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
See you later.
James Sinclair isn't like me.
Oh, good girl. Well done.
Incredible voice.
Yeah.
I love how different she is.